Now the second thing you need is food coloring. 1, 2. Then the third thing you need is the toys. The second thing you need is vinegar. Then the last thing you need is baking soda. An explosion yet. Huh?
You can add some more vinegar to see if it's gonna explode up.
Okay.
Wait, don't put vinegar.
More vinegar?
Yeah, add some more vinegar and see.
Okay.
We'll see. That didn't explode right here. This one at this cup. All right, and one right here. Add right here. All right. Okay, so that did work. Wait, how about let's add the rest of the vinegar and see if it's gonna explode bigger.
This one?
Mm-hmm. No, right here in this cup. The yellow cup. All right. Let's add the baking soda and see if it's gonna explode. So the more vinegar is better, right?